Say good morning, animals.
Good morning, animals.
Good morning, teacher.
Where are we going?
Field day.
Oh, boy. But I thought we'd already done field day.
We're going field day again.
Okay.
Can you call the animals who's going?
Alligator, bear, camel, dolphin, elephant, flamingo, giraffe, hippo, iguana, jaguar, koala, lion, monkey, nightingale, ostrich, penguin, quail, rhinoceros, seal, tiger, vulture, urial, walrus, x-ray fish, yak, and zebra.
Can I come too?
Sure.
Can I come?
Sure.
10 animals are going.
10 animals. Oh, boy. All right. You ready to get in the bus, animals?
No, we're going to walk.
Oh, you're walking? Where are you walking to?
To field day.
Oh, okay. Everybody go to field day. Tweet, tweet. I don't want to go to field day. Nightingale, stop flying away. It's fun for field day.
Everybody, let's walk.
Okay.
Let's cheer for it. We are the team. Say, we are the team.
We are the team.
We are the team.
We are the team. Who's the team?
We're going field day.
Okay. All right, hurry, animals. We don't have a lot of time.
Say, what activities are we doing?
What activities are we doing?
4 activities, right?
What activities?
Soccer, volleyball, and slip and slide.
All right, better hurry. We don't have much time.
Hi, animals.
Hi.
Say, what's your name?
What's your name?
I'm Miss Tori.
Hi, Miss Tori.
Do you want to introduce to Miss Tori? These are the animals.
Okay.
Okay, animals. Today we're going to play soccer.
Okay, let's play.
Who wants to go first?
I will.
What'd you say?
I will. Me, tweet, tweet.
Nightingale.
Good job. All right, what event's next?
I win!
Good job, Yak.
Next event is volleyball.
Okay, let's play. Hit the volleyball. All right, hit the ball.
Whoever hits the ball wins.
I'm hitting the ball back and forth.
Say tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Who wins? Me!
Good job. What's next?
Say tiger won.
Tiger won. What's next?
Slip and slide time.
Oh, slip and slide. What's after slip and slide? Tug of war?
Nope.
Or slip and slide's all done?
Okay.
All right.
One more activity, go.
Everybody slide down the slide.
There's lots of mud in there.
Oh, no.
Don't cut a line for mud, okay? Do you want birdseed, Nightingale?
Tweet, tweet. Burp. Excuse me. All right, hurry up and go down slip and slide, animal friends.
It's muddy down there.
It is.
Whee! Splash! Woohoo! Whee! Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh no, the animals are all muddy. All right, animals.
Can you take a picture of us?
I hope you had fun.
These animals are muddy. Say tweet tweet, we are muddy.
Tweet, tweet, we're muddy. All right, bye, animals.